With the Kijaro dual-lock folding camping chair, Kijaro combines 3 key features to bring you a great camping chair: support, comfort, and portability. With innovative technology, Kijaro has designed a superior camping chair that is made from durable steel, and the patented dual-lock system makes the chair feel solid and secure when you sit in it. At the press of a button, the chair locks firmly into place, and when you need to pack it away, it locks securely into a compact folded position. The built-in carry strap makes the chair easy to transport, or you can store it away in the carry bag. The Kijaro camping chair has 2 good-size cup holders, and a side organizer with a mesh pocket, and zip to hold your car keys or cell phone. You can choose from a large range of attractive colors, and the chair can support up to 300 pounds, and it weighs about 10 pounds.